Hey gorgeous, welcome to Anita's Favorites. To all of my subscribers and those of you who watch my videos, thank you so much for joining me today and welcome. So today I'm doing a what's in my bag, the beautiful Dooney Bourke Smith bag. Y'all, this is one of my absolute favorite bags from Dooney Bourke. Here she is in red in Florentine leather, which is a favorite of many. I heard one lady say she's a Florentine snob. So as you can see, the Dooney Bourke duck patches on the front. So cute. There is a pocket that functions and opens. Y'all heard that snap? That's what we love. The matte gold hardware rings. I have my cute little Dooney Bourke duck charm on her. Tassels are on the sides of the bag. Okay, it's just these beautiful details on this bag. A back slip pocket. Okay, so yeah, she's gorgeous. I know that Dooney brought this back on QVC in Pebble Grain, but you know, we're waiting on the Florentine. Case that the black Florentine is my favorite, but I do have quite an extensive collection of the red Florentine bags as well. So here's what she's looking like on the inside. On the back pocket, well, in the back pocket, y'all see that passport ready. I have my wet ones wipes, my cute little DB75 large frame coin purse. So speaking of DB75, y'all check out your girl Dooney Girl 75. She did a beautiful video showcasing some of her DB75 pieces. So this is the Continental Clutch, which is my wallet, one of my absolute favorites. Okay, Bath and Body Works, one of my favorite scents is the Japanese Cherry Blossom hand lotion. And I also have the body spray as well. I love this scent, one of my absolute favorites from Bath and Body Works. So It Cosmetics case, using it as a catch-all. Well, this is the on-the-go cosmetic case that I have my makeup in. These larger bags, the temptation is there to overstuff them, but I resist the urge to do that because these bags can be quite heavy and I just carry what is needed. Give a big shout out to Dazzle Me 77. She showed these boots on her Instagram and they were at Macy's, the Juicy Couture. I had to grab them and they are perfect with my bag. I'm loving this look. So let me know down in the comments, do you have the Dooney Bourke Florentine Smith bag? If so, what color are you waiting for them to bring it back? If not, and I want to just say thank you so much for 2023. Those of you who joined me, who subscribe to my channel, who watch my videos and consistently leave comments. And to those of you who are sharing content, I am enjoying your content. Thank you so much for sharing. And I wish you all prosperity and peace for 2024. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye.